Tributes have been paid to the legendary sports broadcaster Seán Óg Ó Ceallacháin, who has died aged 89. His Sunday night GAA results programme on RTE Radio was one of the longest running sports programmes in the world, putting him in the Guinness Book of Records.
The
life of Seán Óg Ó Ceallacháin was certainly a full one. He was an actor, an author and an All-Ireland finalist. But he'll be best remembered for a world record 63-year sports broadcasting career. His results programme on Sunday nights on RTE Radio, familiar to generations.
Well, my memory of him is as a broadcaster, reading out the results on Sunday night. The wonderful melodic voice, soft, gentle. He was the voice of the GAA and he was a very pleasant voice, and one that we were delighted to have associated with us.
Born in 1923 in Newcastle West in County Limerick, Seán Óg began his broadcasting life alongside his father, also Seán, in 1948. The same year he played for the beaten Dublin side in the All-Ireland hurling final against Waterford.
I'll remember particularly because I did score a goal, and the fact of even scoring made it better for me.
And in a twinkling of an eye, the Dublin forwards had the ball in the net.
He was the face as well as the voice of RTE Sport over many decades.
You're boxing Henry Cooper on the 18th.
Yeah.
Now, what do you think your chances of Henry Cooper?
Well, Henry Cooper's not going but 5 rounds with me.
He's not going 5 rounds.
If he goes over 5, I won't return to my country for 90 days.
For 90 days.
And if he beats me, I'll retire.
Good man.
Seán Óg finally retired from broadcasting in 2011. His record as the world's longest-serving sports broadcaster was marked with a Guinness Book of Records entry a year later. His death at the age of 89 finally silences the voice of one of Ireland's best-known broadcasters.
I love doing it. I was a long time doing it, and certainly I will miss it when the time comes when I have to give it up. Well,